Is it open?
In the chimney.
The torch.
Yeah, I can't.
Hang on. Let me explain how we got here.
Wait.
So basically, yesterday I heard a little bit of rattling around in our chimney, and Jake heard it again today. So we decided that, well, Jake decided that he was gonna try and open up the chimney to get the bird out. It took a while that I didn't remember to record, but yeah, this is how it went. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, I see it moving. Hello, birdie. Oh, hello.
I love how, like, everyone's doing something and Lucy's just holding a camera.
Yeah, because I want to catch it on camera.
You're like every single YouTuber.
You see it, Megan?
Get it. You got it? It's gonna move away. Ready? I'm gonna look you outside, don't feel sad.
How about we put some food here?
Good idea.
You've got both of them, haven't you? Will they sniff it? Can they smell it?
It's moving.
Wait, do you feel it?
Found it.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you holding it?
I've just got my hand.
Just break its wings around.
Yeah, if you damage it, then you'll die anyway.
Do a very light.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it.
Wait.
Come to me, birdie.
It'll pull its wings in
I've
hard.
got this, is that its foot?
Foot. I'll be just very gentle.
I mean, you might.
I think just put the bird feed
So
down.
you can feel it. It's only a little bird, isn't he? He's not vermin.
Birdie.
Go on down.
Oh, poor Chance.
Pin that down.
Birdie's running from us.
Right, well, maybe he'll come to us. Look, just try it this way. You'll back off.
Seeds.
Isn't that seeds?
Maybe some worms.
There's a lot of worms. Right, come out the way then, Joe.
Nice. Thanks, Drake.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
god.
mean, it's like,
I'm so scared. Well, that's weird. That's what chimneys look like. I don't see anything. Oh, I see it. Hi, birdie. Hiya.
Right, come out the way, Joe.
it doesn't look healthy. I'm going to shower
it was-
anyway.
It was up here. I see it. It's there. Do you see that on the camera?
You see the man is coming in.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Oh, he's so cute.
Okay, let me know where he is. I'm the one who can get to him for some reason.
He is kind of scared looking, isn't he?
Jake, come round here and see where he is. Don't do it without the gloves.
Why?
Because you might not know how
Wait,
much pressure.
it might move. Where did I go? Oh, it's there. Hang on, I zoomed in a bit too much.
You see where it is? It's just round this corner, Jake.
Okay, can you?
Oh, he's done a poo.
Hang on.
Can't feel anything. I think it fell. Can you check again, Lucy?
Oh my gosh! That scared the life out of me. Vinny's in. Where is it? Oh, hello.
Let's go.
Oh, I should have videoed it flying out.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
I can zoom in, Mum.
Food, maybe.
Hey, birdie. Hello. Wait, if I get some food in my hand, will he go in my hand? You want some food? Oh. Oh, good boy.
Let's have a round of applause.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. So that's the story on how we saved a bird today. I didn't think I was going to wake up and do this, but I did. We have named the bird Skylar. And just remember, like, if you hear, like, a bird in your chimney, it's totally worth just breaking it open just to save its life. That bird was in there for 2 days, and it was completely fine. It was a healthy young, I think it was a sterling. We're not really sure, but Skylar will forever be in our hearts.